Hey guys, EarnPal here, and we're back with another online money-making method that is working 100%. The good thing about this method is that not a lot of people are doing it, so it's a very low competition market. All you have to do is literally receive orders and then deliver them again to receive your earnings. If you aren't familiar with our channel, we at EarnPal upload new and fresh ways to make money online every single day. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like to the video. We spend a lot of time looking for these methods and also personally testing them before we deliver the results to you. In this video, we will be looking at the steps to follow in order to start earning money from absolutely doing nothing at all. Don't skip ahead because you might miss crucial steps, and that will affect whether or not this method will work for you. Now, we tried this method for an entire day and the results were surprising as we were able to make around $100 in revenue. That's why I'm confident about sharing this with you, because I know it will drive some success towards your efforts. Now, before revealing the secret, we have to introduce the #1 freelancing website where endless opportunities are. The website is called Fiverr, with 2 R's, and that's fiverr.com. Fiverr is a website where buyers and sellers gather to either look for talent or provide services for sale. We are going to be representing ourselves as freelancers, or in other words, we have a service that many people are looking for and we are selling for cheap. Don't be discouraged, because this method requires zero experience at all, and you don't need to have any background whatsoever. So, believe me when I say this, people are literally looking everywhere for this service, but not a lot of people are providing it. Now, what I want to show you is this. Once we head to Fiverr, we're gonna be greeted by this page. And if you look closely, we have a search bar. So we're gonna type in at first video editor, and we're gonna check all the gigs that are available for us. Now, before we do that, we click on budget and then specify that our maximum budget for this service is $5. If we scroll down, we can see all of the opportunities we have, and we can hire any of these editors for them to edit our videos for only $5. So you keep scrolling down and try to look for the person that you connect most with. For example, I see this guy that says that he will professionally edit your videos, and the price is very cheap, so it's $5. Do not be discouraged by this. Keep on watching and you'll see exactly what we're gonna do with this. So after checking this guy's content, I like it. The next step is to look for a voiceover artist. So we're gonna type in voiceover artist, and just like before, we're gonna specify that the maximum budget is $5 as well, and we can find a lot of talented voiceover artists that can do the job for us for only $5. Again, keep looking until you find that gig that you most connect with, and try to listen to most of the voices to see which one you want to represent your YouTube video. This guy is one of the guys that offers voiceover services, so this guy also is offering for $5. The next step is to find the last service that we need, which is script writing. That's what I'm typing here, and also we're gonna specify the budget for $5 again. Just like that, and then click apply. Then you're gonna see a lot of gigs. And once again, you're gonna keep looking for that specific person, that specific script writer that you want to work with. And then once you find the person that you need, you're just gonna select the gig and then see the content, see what this person is offering. You can also read the description and read the reviews as well to get a better idea on the person's service level. And that's pretty much it. So you have your 3 special services that we need. Now, after we get all those services, we're gonna head back to Fiverr, and this time we're gonna look at people's gigs that are selling entire edited videos and see how much they're selling it for. So I'm just gonna type in automated YouTube channel, click search, and then see all of these gigs. Not all of these gigs are selling YouTube videos, some of them are selling promotion. I'm going to go back and change my research because I typed in YouTube channel instead. So I'm going back and type in I will make a YouTube video, and now we can see the results here. These are more concrete results. So if you check the first gig, it says I will make a YouTube top 10 video, and a lot of these people still offering some advertising for your YouTube videos. That's not what we want to offer. We want to offer the same as the people that are offering to make YouTube videos for people. So this is pretty much the gist of it. We've tried this method for an entire day and we ended up getting 3 orders and ended up getting $100 pure revenue, like pure benefit, excluding all the fees that we paid, which is around $15 per video, and we ordered for 3 videos, so it was around $45. We ended up making $160 minus the Fiverr's cut. Our revenue was purely $100, and we definitely did nothing at all. We just collected some services from people and then ended up setting up our own gig, and orders came crashing down, like 3 orders without us advertising the gig. It's still very surprising that this method works, and that goes to show that not a lot of people are offering this service at all. So you can start doing this, you can start automating your work, because you basically are not going to be doing anything at all. You're just going to be collecting services from different people and then selling them to other people, and you have the entire right of that video, so you can do whatever you want with it. I hope this video was helpful for you. This is one of the few tips that we try every day, and if you're still not subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell, because we do upload daily. We read all the comments and everything. We reply to all the comments if you have any concerns regarding any of our methods. We hope this was helpful for you. We will see you tomorrow for another tip.